Welcome back, home enthusiasts! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated window cleaner robots. In your free time, you're more inclined to put off certain household chores since they're time-consuming and very tiring, and one of those is window cleaning. Luckily, we're living in an age of automation, so we have window cleaner robots to rely on. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated window cleaner robots available on the market today, so you can finally take your well-deserved rest at home. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the window cleaner robots that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first window cleaner robot on our list is the Ecovacs Winbot window cleaning robot. The Ecovacs Winbot window cleaning robot has a navigation system that is built to efficiently clean every square inch of your surface. It contains a number of safety measures, including a safety tether and a suction power of 2,800 pascals to protect your house in the event of power outage. As for the size, it measures 9.7 by 9.7 by 4.5 inches and weighs 3.96 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ecovacs Winbot window cleaning robot a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. One-touch operation. This holds it firmly to a glass surface. All you have to do is push the power button to start the cleaning robot. Advanced auto-coupler sensors. With smart sensors, it is capable of recognizing the edges of glass and changing the cleaning course without bumping into anything or falling. Cleans at a low noise level. This enables you to engage in activities without being interrupted. Easy to use remote control. It allows the user to spot clean a certain area, start or stop the machine, and use the directional buttons. 5-layer decontamination microfiber pad. This pad makes sure that the glass surfaces are thoroughly cleaned without leaving any streaks. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is not wireless, so you would have to deal with tangled wires every now and then. The second window cleaner robot on our list is the BOBOT window cleaner robot. The BOBOT window cleaner robot is a technologically advanced window cleaning robot that cleans all window sizes effortlessly. It comes equipped with unique features that make the window cleaning tasks more convenient. In terms of size, it measures 117.6 by 117.6 by 45.6 inches and weighs 6.31 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOBOT window cleaner robot a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 2,500 pascals suction power. This suction power ensures that the robot is firmly attached to the glass. 30-minute backup battery. It has a 30-minute backup battery in case of a power failure. High-toughness safety rope. The window robot has high-toughness safety rope to ensure safe cleaning even at great heights. Inner touch sensor system. The system is used to control the direction of the robot in real time. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, you would need to clean or change pads often, otherwise windows will streak. The third window cleaner robot on our list is the AlfaBot window cleaning automatic robot. The AlfaBot window cleaning automatic robot provides a unique way to wash away grime and polish windows by automatically spraying water or detergent on the surface of the glass while in motion. It includes an attached microfiber cloth that quickly drives water after cleaning, as the water spray is precisely controlled. As for the size, it measures 9.45 by 9.45 by 3.94 inches and weighs 2.82 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AlfaBot window cleaning automatic robot a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 4-meter long cord. With the help of this cord, you can reach the farthest corners of the window pane. Detachable water tank. The detachable water tank is used for the supplied window detergent. Remote control. This enables you to choose the robot's mode of direction or control its direction manually. UPS battery. There's no need to fully charge the battery. If the power fails, the robot will not immediately fall off the window, but will stay attached to the pane for up to 20 minutes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have the option to run on battery power, which means that it can be operated with the use of a power cord only. The fourth window cleaner robot on our list is the Gladwell Gecko robot window cleaner. The Gladwell Gecko robot window cleaner has a smart artificial intelligence-powered design that will quickly and effectively clean your windows. It employs an advanced algorithm to clean every inch of your glass, including those difficult-to-reach places that you couldn't get to on your own, by detecting edges. In terms of size, it measures 12.2 by 9.92 by 6.46 inches and weighs 4.85 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Gladwell Gecko Robot Window Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: washable microfiber pads. They scrub windows thoroughly, enabling a complete and spotless clean. Full Access app. With the help of this app, you can quickly and easily modify the controls to fit your home. Safety rope attachment feature. It guarantees your device's dual security and protection. 2 wheels. The window cleaner has 2 wheels that make movement easier. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it needs a hook above each window or door to connect a lanyard so it doesn't fall off. The 5th window cleaner robot on our list is the Mamibot window cleaning robot vacuum. The Mamibot window cleaning robot vacuum has a variety of safety features to protect both your machine and your home, including intelligent pathing, deeper cleaning, easy operation, and easy cleaning. Out of the box, you will get a power supply, a power cable, and safety rope, alongside a remote control with included batteries, a user manual, and pairs of wet and dry microfiber cloths. As for the size, it measures 9.84 by 9.84 by 3.94 inches and weighs 3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Mamibot window cleaning robot vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: intelligent pressure sensors. These sensors enable the device to remain securely fastened to your window throughout use. Artificial intelligence. With the use of this technology, the Mamibot can determine the window's total size and choose the best cleaning path. Emergency battery. It has an emergency battery so that it won't shut off in the event of an electrical outage. Safety rope. The safety rope particularly ensures safe operation on higher floors. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is not suitable for skylights and incline cleaning. The 6th window cleaner robot on our list is the Wexbi window cleaning robot. The Wexbi window cleaning robot uses a vacuum pump to keep itself permanently attached to the window, allowing it to clean a wide range of flat surfaces, including glass, shower enclosures, walls, and mirrors. In terms of size, it measures 9.9 by 9.8 by 3.3 inches and weighs 3.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Wexbi window cleaning robot a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: laser-based navigation technology. This technology determines the best cleaning route for each surface. UPS system. The system is installed in the vacuum, which helps the robot mop to stick to the window even during a power outage. Machine washable pads. The pads can be washed in a machine, so you don't have to discard them after only one use. Built-in detecting edge sensors. These sensors clean frameless glass without leaving any streaks or watermarks. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's not cord-free. The 7th window cleaner robot on our list is the AlfaBot window cleaner robot. The AlfaBot window cleaner robot has a spherical shape, 2 cleaning wheels that are cloth-wrapped, and a strong 4 kilopascal suction force for attaching to surfaces. It also has dry microfiber pads that are used to remove dirt and grime from glass windows as part of its dry and wet cleaning functions. As for the size, it measures 11.4 by 5.6 by 3.4 inches and weighs 2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AlfaBot window cleaner robot a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: AI technology. With the use of this technology, it can intelligently select the ideal cleaning path. Edge detection sensors. These sensors keep it from colliding with window frames as it zigzags its way across the glass panes. 30-minute battery backup. To ensure safe cleaning, an embedded UPS provides a 30-minute battery backup in case of an outage. Safety rope. It has a safety rope that keeps it from a devastating fall. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is not effective in cleaning frameless glasses. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated window cleaner robots, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next window cleaner robot roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.